Hi guys, welcome to my channel Unlimited Bloggers. This is your host Rahul. So today I'm going to discuss about two things which is happening in India right now. One is COVID and another is IPL. One makes people very sad and one makes people very happy. So today I'm going to discuss about IPL. So today particularly I'm going to discuss about one particular fixture which makes fans go crazy and friends become a lot of enemies on particular day. So can you guess which match is that? You might have guessed it right. This is RCB versus CSK match. Today in this video, you will know from the first time they faced each other till the last time they faced each other, and you'll get to know which team has dominated more times against the team, and you'll know which player has scored more runs and which bowler has taken more wickets. By the end of this video, you will have a knowledge on who dominated who, and you will get an idea to pull your friends' legs. IPL started in the year 2008 and these two teams faced for the first time on 28 April 2008. On that day, CSK won the toss and they chose to bat first. CSK went on to score 175 runs, but RCB did not chase down the total, where they ended up scoring 165 runs. And Dhoni was awarded the man of the match for his 65 runs. For the second time when they faced each other on 21st May, RCB won the toss and they chose to bat first. RCB scored a very less total of 128 runs, but CSK failed to chase down that total, where RCB won the match by 14 runs. In that match, Anil Kumble took 3 wickets for 18 runs in his 4 overs, which was awarded as a man of the match. In the second season, they faced each other on April 20th, where CSK won the toss and they decided to bat first and went on to score 179 runs. But RCB failed miserably, just scoring 29 runs, where Muttiah Muralitharan picked up 3 wickets. In the second match, CSK won the toss and they decided to bat first. CSK scored 129 runs and lost all the 10 wickets. And RCB chased down this total successfully, where Ross Taylor played a big part in scoring 46 runs, which was awarded a man of the match. In season 2, these two teams played for the third time in qualifiers for the final spot. RCB won the toss and chose to bowl first, where CSK scored 146 runs and RCB chased down this total very successfully, where Manish Pandey scored 46 runs, which was awarded the man of the match. Now let's see what happened in the third season. For the first time, 23rd March, CSK won the toss and they chose to bowl first. RCB went on to score 171 runs in their 20 overs, and CSK struggled to chase down this total, where ended up scoring 135 runs. Robin Uthappa scored 68 runs and won the man of the match. In the second match, RCB won the toss and they decided to bat first. RCB scored 161 runs for the loss of 7 wickets, and CSK successfully chased down this total in 19 overs, where Murali Vijay scored 78 runs and was awarded the man of the match. In season 4, these two teams played 4 times. Let's see what happened. In the first match, CSK won the toss and they decided to bat first, and they scored 183 runs for 5 wickets in their 20 overs, where Mike Assis scored 83 runs of 56 balls, which was awarded the man of the match. In chasing this huge total, RCB failed to chase down this total and scored 162 runs for losing 7 wickets. In the second match, RCB won the toss and they decided to bowl first, where CSK scored 128 runs for losing 8 wickets. RCB chased down this total successfully, where Chris Gayle scored 75 runs of 15 balls and won the man of the match. In season 4, they faced in the first preliminary for the third time, where CSK won the toss and they decided to bowl first, and RCB went on to score 175 runs in their 20 overs for losing 4 wickets. And CSK chased down this total successfully in the 19th over, where Suresh Raina scored 73 runs of 50 balls, which was the man of the match performance. This season, these both teams played for the 4th time in the finals, where CSK won the toss and decided to bat, and went on to score a huge total of 205 runs, where Murali Vijay scored 95 runs of his 52 balls. In chasing down this huge total, RCB failed to chase down and scored only 147 runs. CSK went on to win this trophy, becoming the champions for the second time. Now let's see what happened in the 5th season. For the first time when they played, RCB won the toss and chose to bat first, and went on to score a huge total of 205 runs for their 8 wickets, where CSK chased down this total successfully in the last over, where Faf du Plessis scored 71 runs, which was the man of the match performance. In the second match of this season, RCB won the toss and decided to bowl first, but the match got abandoned due to rain. Now let's see what happened in the 6th season. For the first time when they played, CSK won the toss and decided to bowl first, where RCB scored 165 runs. but CSK chased down this total very successfully in the 19th over, where Ravindra Jadeja played a crucial knock of 38 runs on the 20 balls. In the second match of that season, CSK won the toss and decided to bowl first, where RCB scored the lowest total of 106 runs, where Virat Kohli scored 56 runs. Guess what? CSK struggled to score this total and ended up scoring 82 runs. Now let's see what happened in the seventh season. In the first match, CSK won the toss and they decided to bat first and went on to score 138 runs for losing 4 wickets. The RCB chased down the score successfully, where Chris Gayle scored 46 runs of 50 balls. In the second match of this season, CSK won the toss and chose to bowl first, where RCB scored 154 runs of losing 6 wickets. The CSK chased down this total successfully in the 17th over, where MSD scored 49 runs and was the man of the match. In Season 8, these two teams faced 3 times, 2 league matches and 1 qualifier match, where CSK completely dominated RCB in all the 3 matches. Suresh Raina gave the best performance in league matches and Mike Hussey gave the best performance in qualifier. There were no matches played between these two teams in Season 9 and 10 because CSK team was banned from IPL. In Season 11, CSK made a grand comeback by winning the title. But when these two teams faced each other, CSK completely dominated RCB a couple of times, where MSD was the best performer in match 1 and Jadeja was the best performer in match 2. Now let's see what happened in Season 12. In the first match, CSK won the toss and chose to bowl first, and they restricted RCB to 70 runs. And CSK chased down this total successfully, and Harbhajan Singh was the best performer with 3 wickets and just conceding 20 runs. In the second match of this season, CSK won the toss and they chose to bowl first, where RCB scored 161 runs and Parthiv Patel was the best performer for 53 runs. And CSK failed to chase down this total, where RCB won the match by just 1 run. Now let's see what happened in Season 13. In the first match, RCB won the toss and chose to bat first, where RCB scored 169 runs, where Virat Kohli was the best performer with 90 runs. And CSK failed to chase down this total and ended up scoring only 132 runs. In the second match of this season, RCB won the toss and they chose to bat first, where RCB scored 145 runs, and CSK chased down this total successfully in the 19th over, where Ruturaj Gaikwad was the best performer of his 65 runs. Now let's get into the stats between these two teams. Coming to the batting performance, the most runs was scored by Virat Kohli of 901 runs against CSK, and MSD scored 735 runs against RCB for CSK. Coming to the highest individual score, Murali Vijay scored 95 runs for CSK against RCB, and Virat Kohli scored 90 runs against CSK for RCB. Now let's see the top bowling performances. Albin Mokal took 16 wickets for CSK and Vinay Kumar took 15 wickets for RCB. Now coming to the best bowling figures, Ashish Nehra took 4 for 10 for CSK and Zahir Khan took 4 for 17 for RCB. We have reached the end of the video. By this time you will have a clear idea on who dominated and who has the upper hand. I am eagerly waiting for the next match, which is happening on Sunday. Please comment in the comment box who is going to win that match. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.